Hi! In this video, I'll teach you how to fix computer not using all available RAM. So what we need to do is we first need to check our computer. So to do that, let's head over to our File Explorer, right-click on our devices, and click on Properties. And then in here, you can see your properties, right? So you can see here the free space and all of that. You can all see everything. Then right-click on that again. And then from in here, you can just head over and right click on this PC, click on properties, then this will open the settings. So in here, you can see the installed RAM and not the storage itself. So as you can see right here, there's only 3.89 gigabytes usable, but there's available 4 gig RAM. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is we need to head over to our search right here and then type in here msconfig. It will open the system configuration right here. So let's open this one right here. And then in here, we can see in here the system configuration. So click on boot. And then from in there, what we need to do is click on advanced options. Then from in here, just make sure that this maximum memory is turned off just like this. After that, just click on OK and then apply that and click on OK again. So as you can see right here, you need to restart your computer or to apply these changes. So what you need to do is you just need to restart your computer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix computer not using all available RAM. If you have guns or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.